first little accessory deployed. I believe this is the Overland Pros 270 awning. Set up really easy. I have another 270 on my 4Runner, but this thing is absolutely massive. There is a little bit of mildew on it. I'm going to scrub that off. Whoever used it clearly put it away wet. I have the AC going inside right now because my son desperately wants to camp in it tonight. Nothing fancy going on right now. I just pulled the mattress out to see how it is. There's the solar panel that came with the Survival Series Power Up package. Have the 200 amp hour batteries. Right now they're sitting at 100%. Coming around the other side, or actually on this side, previous owner added a second propane port. It had one there for the griddle, which it came with. Griddle's in my garage right now, but they added the second port for a gas fire pit that they used. This is the factory awning that came on the back. I still may mount it here. You'll see in a future video of my plans for this, but I'm not quite there yet, so no sneak peeks. And they also added on a water heater. Works out really nice. We have it neatly packed in this Apache case. Camplux water heater. I'll do a little video on that once I get everything going. It has water in the tank, but I really didn't get to the point of testing any of the extra stuff. My goal was getting it home, getting it off my car, and then getting the paperwork done with my state, which is still an ongoing issue, but hopefully get that squared up soon. And then of course it has all the little Survival Series goodies. I didn't really care about that stuff. This is what I wanted. I'm always up and down on the roof, so I wanted the walk-on fenders. So more to come. Little quick overview right now. Gonna tinker around a little bit and make sure everything's working, but more to come. Thanks for watching.